I'm going to show you exactly how to place your photos inside a TV mockup in Canva using the Mockups app. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to choose the right canvas size, find the perfect mockup, and insert your photo so it looks clean and professional. This method is simple, fast, and perfect for creating high-quality visuals. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create and choose any size that matches the project you are working on. It can be a portrait post, a landscape thumbnail, or even a square Instagram template. Once your blank canvas opens, look at the left panel again and click on Apps. In the search bar, type Mockups and open the app. After it loads, use the search bar inside the app to type TV, then hit Enter. Canva will show you a collection of TV mockups in different styles and settings. Browse through them and pick the one that fits the look you want. As soon as you click it, the mockup will instantly appear on your canvas. So what you want to do now is to head over to the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. Drag and drop the photo you want to appear on the TV screen. Canva will automatically place your image inside the mockup, so you do not have to adjust the shape manually. If you want to reposition or resize the image, double-click on it and move it around until it looks perfect. You can also add text, elements, or effects around the mockup to complete your design. When you are done editing your design, go to the top right corner and click Share. Choose Download and select PNG for the highest quality result. You can also download it as JPG if you want a smaller file size. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now created a clean and professional TV mockup in Canva using the Mockups app. This method is simple, efficient, and perfect for upgrading your visuals, whether you are posting on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook. For more helpful Canva tricks and beginner tutorials, do not forget to check out our free 20-minute masterclass for new designers. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.